All right, just a quick update. So, after I came home, boom, second fish, dead on spot. Boom. I guess even the other fish has died. Everything, even the pearls on the macroalgae, just magically all appeared. This bush right here has grown crazy, but it has killed the livestock. So obviously, dosing all that, whatever, kalkwasser, essential elements, it's a certain limit to it with livestock inside of a 10-gallon tank. There's still a little brown on the blue hypnea, which I don't know if it's recovering all the way. Some parts look swell, some other parts don't. I don't know if that's a lighting issue or a nutrient issue, but it seems that everything else is growing well. The mushrooms are expanding. The clam over here is still having a part of it protruded inside the tank. So I don't really know what the problem is. It it just killed the fish, which I still have no clue to what might have happened. The only difference that I did was put this clam in there. That's why I was thinking, like, man, something really secreted out of the clam to kill everything, mucus or whatever. But I do see, what is this green stuff right here called? Green hair algae actually growing. And I don't know where the phosphate is coming from, which can be a problem. But hopefully, I do see patches of green hair algae starting to grow. So I may have to do a good water change. I don't know if it's phosphate secreting from the rock that I have in here, but I may have to do a 50% maybe, but it's kind of like too late, kind of with nothing really alive in there except snails. And the other snails are actually not messing with the water. They're out there. I do see suds, so there might be some organics that are in there. So I'm gonna have to buy some cheap fish, like, some little damsels or something, just to put in here, or I can just order some saltwater mollies that I know that will be all right, and they can kind of eat this hair algae stuff. But you can see it like right there, just growing. But the Mexicana is actually growing very well. Nothing else really grew that well. Helameda is not growing; it died back. That's why I was dosing calc and all that. But it seems that I'm not going to dose any fertilizers or anything else because I think it is maxed out. The coralline algae back there doesn't seem to be as colorful as it used to be, and it's dying back. But then there's an abundance of calcium, and I did dose magnesium at one point, but you don't really need that much magnesium in the small amount of tank. So let's give it another week or so and really check it out to see the difference in the tank. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to see more updates on this little tank experiment. See ya.